guys, what is going on? Welcome back to another video. Now I'm going to start this video off by bolting the last fender of the kit onto the car. Now next thing I want to do is go through and use a power sander to sand down any of the big imperfections in the kit. So little things where the gel coat bubbled up or anything like that. Fix those, get those taken care of right off the bat. Now after that, what I'm gonna do is go through with a marker and mark all the low spots in the kit. That way I can go back very quickly and fill those in with some body filler and then get those as smooth as possible, take care of all of them at once, hopefully, and then go through and sand those down to get the fenders and the pieces very, very smooth. Now obviously it's gonna be a lot of work and a time-consuming process for things to dry and all the sanding work and stuff, but I'm gonna try and get through it as quickly as possible for you guys so you guys can see the finished product. So I'm gonna go ahead and get to work.
Back it up a little.
Okay. I'm not screwing this one in. Lots of trust.
Ready?
Now,
I'm going.
put pressure. Come. There you go. Okay. Hit the back button. Hit the back button. Back it up. Beautiful. All right. There you go. Okay, so I'm doing this really quickly, and I can go back and I can always do it some more, but I'm just running my hand over it and finding the low spots, and then I'm just using little Sharpie marks to figure out where to put my body filler. And then in the rare case where I have to actually take something down, I just put an X over it, and that's kind of my method. So I'm just gonna continue to do this on all the pieces, so that way when I start mixing body filler, I can mix and just put it on the fender and then keep moving. That way I'm not going back and forth between circling and making body filler.
Put your mask on yourself before helping others. You know what it smells like? That shit you put on your mask. Mango, Landry.
So what I was just telling Nicole is the fact that obviously it's taken me a really long time to do this because I'm learning as I go, but 9-10 months ago the car was parked in this same exact spot, and there was foam on it and fiberglass on top of the foam, and I was putting body filler on it because I thought that was the way to do it, and obviously it wasn't. But now it's, you know, present day, and it's parked in the same exact spot, and I'm actually putting body filler on the bolted fenders on my car. So it's just pretty cool that it's finally gotten to the point where I'm really close. I'm on the downhill for it to almost be done. So just thought that was pretty cool and wanted to share it with you guys.
So fragile, like it was built to break off the handle. How'd we get to this place? We're leaving everything behind for new and exciting feelings, but I won't leave you. Will everything we know be lost and changed for something new? Only time will tell, but I'll be holding you. 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 I'll be holding you.
Alright guys, well I've been putting quite a few hours into these fenders, trying to get them all smoothed up and getting all the low spots out of them so I can prep them for paint. So as far as how they're looking right now, so it's coming out pretty nicely, fairly smooth. There are still a couple low spots that I've got to fill in, but this is the process that I'm going with. It's working quite well. So the fenders are coming along nicely. I'm pretty happy with where it's going, with the progress that's being made. Obviously, I've just got to do a lot of fill with body filler, sand it down, check for more low spots, do the same thing. But what I'll do next is use some black spray paint and do a light dusting coat over the fenders and all the pieces, so that way when I do go to hand sand, block sand, each piece, I'll be able to not only, you know, feel the low spots, but I'll also be able to see those too. So that'll help me fill in the smaller ones that it's really hard to feel. But anyways, that is gonna do it for this video. I wanna go ahead and end it here just so I can get a video up for you guys. By the way, if you guys do want more up-to-date progress, photos and stuff like that, check out my Instagram. It'll be a link in the description box down below. Here, thank you guys so very much for watching. If you enjoyed it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, if you have not already, subscribe to my channel. That way you guys can see when the next video is out. I will catch you guys in the next video. Have an awesome day.